The radiator leaked radiator fluid into the transmission, and it ruined the transmission, and it's $4,500. You could have spent $75 and bought an external transmission cooler, and had you installed that when the radiator failed, the transmission would not have been affected. Man, I sure wish I would have read that notice that Nissan sent me telling me to do this. Nissan did not tell people to take this $75 path. What they did do is they extended the warranty to 80,000 miles because they recognized there was a problem. You have 95,000 miles, so you're out of warranty. It's $4,500 to you.
The ones I see are breaking after 85,000 miles. That, the finance department did some calculations and figured out when most of them would be breaking and then kind of set it accordingly.
Holy cow, so it's just not extended long enough to cover me. That's crazy. I'm going to call that factory.
Because there's all those fellow Nissan Xterra owners who could be spending $75 to save their $4,500 transmissions right now. And you can go tell them you have the tools.
Yes, I have the tools. I could be telling them. Yeah, I'll feel bad every time I see an Xterra on the highway that I didn't tell to spend $75 to. But I know, maybe I can get Nissan to tell the people about the $75 package. They told me I could make you a heck of a deal on a new car. If you wanted to buy a new car, I could give you a really, really great price on something. Oh, I just want the transmission fixed. I want you guys to fix what you did. Quite ready to do that yet. Well, so I'll tell you what I've done so far. I made myself a movie. I'm gonna publish this on YouTube. It's gonna be fantastically successful. Just trying to get my car fixed, but this is the only tool I have. Well, you could paint the Xterra yellow and park it in front of the lot on a trailer every weekend and stand out there with a sign. Well, yeah, and I might reach a couple hundred people driving by, but on the internet, I can reach hundreds of thousands of people. I see what you mean. I wonder how that's going to work out in the end. I don't know. I'm just turning in the movie now. We'll see how it gets finished or not.